What's up, traders? This is Trello. I'm running super late this morning, but happy Tuesday. Let's go ahead and get these major dollar pairs out of the way. So for the DXY did close under demand from yesterday, but as you guys can see, the DXY is pushing up to that supply. It feels pretty good being able to get into the trading space that I am in now with the USD pairs, being able to use them as confluences, knowing how the dollar works, and it's starting to pay off, man. It really is. So as you guys can see, the dollar dumped through demand and now it's pushing up into supply. So this is beautiful. This is what we wanted. And hopefully when the dollar taps supply, some of our USD pairs will be ready to buy once the dollar taps supply. So I am still waiting on USD JPY to break this low. And as you guys can see, they did not break that low. They maintained bullish. So I don't really see too much clean demand anywhere in this leg up. So I am going to be patient on USD JPY. GBP USD is a different story. I kind of missed that first tap on GU. Kind of hurts my heart. This is actually my first time seeing that I missed this tap. I didn't set an alert last night. I am running super late this morning. So GU is actually respecting those buys. I think GU actually will go ahead and push further down into the zone because, like I said, I do expect the DXY to go ahead and tap supply, unless the DXY just wanted to sweep these highs out right here in this area, then push down again. So we are waiting patiently in GU. All right, so for Euro USD, I am still waiting on the Euro USD buys. So supply does look like it's starting to be tapped on the dollar, and this may actually be the only supply that gets tapped here in this range. But I am not an aggressive trader. I like to stay patient, as patient helps in the long run. So if we check USD CAD, as you guys can see, we hit a beautiful take profit. Um, was that last week or was that this week? So we have a sell down and a buy up, breaking the highs to the left side. We have a liquidity sweep. We did get tapped into the zone. This zone was mitigated. This is actually my first mitigated zone I've ever took in trading, and it seemed to have played out beautifully. As long as the demand zone holds, we are perfect. So USD CAD does not have much. I do know that USD CAD is bullish, so looking for some further demand, or if the DXY tap supply and starts bleeding off heavily, USD CAD should start to drop. NZD USD, I was looking for NZD USD sales, you guys, and it seems like they did not come up to supply for sales. After school today, I am gonna go look at NZD USD further to try to see if we have any supply that will push us up eventually. But for right now, NZD USD is bearish, even with the dollar weakening. So for gold, you guys, gold did do us a little pushback. Let's go ahead and change this to the 23rd. Gold did give us a slight pushback to the downside. Gold is still strong. Also, a telltale sign is if the DXY is pushing up like this and gold doesn't really give any buying pressure as though, then you could think that this move is a fake push. So usually when the dollar rises, gold usually drops because it costs less USD to buy gold. So right now I am waiting on this imbalance candle tap down here to the bottom side with the sell down and buy up, breaking the lows to the left side. Second part of this easy strategy is supply and demand. That sell down leaves a beautiful demand zone. And the third part of this strategy is going to be called liquidity. We sweep liquidity. Hopefully gold gives us a beautiful tap in and a take profit. Well, that'll be it for my daily outlook of today on Tuesday. You guys have a safe one.